in mathematics part first, chapter second, quadratic equation. Still in our last lectures, we had to learn to find the roots of quadratic equation by using factorization method and completing square method. Today, we are going to learn to find the roots or solution of given quadratic equation by formula method. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन वर्गसमीकरण या चॅप्टर मध्ये आपण आतापर्यंत वर्गसमीकरण सोडवण्यासाठी वर्गसमीकरणाचे मूळ काढण्यासाठी अवयव पद्धत, फॅक्टरायझेशन मेथड, पूर्ण वर्ग पद्धत, कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वेअर मेथड आणि आतापर्यंत पाहिलेले आहेत. आज आपण दिलेल्या वर्गसमीकरणाचे मूळ काढण्यासाठी किंवा उकल काढण्यासाठी फॉर्म्युला मेथड्स सूत्र पद्धतीचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. Obtain the formula for solving quadratic equation. First, to obtain the formula for to find the roots of quadratic equation or solving the quadratic equation. प्रथम आपण वर्गसमीकरण सोडवण्यासाठी जे सूत्र वापरतात ते सूत्र प्रथम कशा पद्धतीने मिळवतात ते पाहूया. We know the general form of quadratic equation or standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of quadratic equation. In last lecture, to find the roots of quadratic equation by using completing square method. In a completing square method, to acquire the coefficient of x square is a 1. In this general form of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The coefficient of x square is a. Therefore, a replaced by 1, dividing both sides by a. x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 या वर्ग समीकरणामध्ये एक चा वर्गचा सहगुणक a आहे तो 1 करणे आवश्यक आहे. म्हणून डिवाइडिंग बोथ साइड बाय a, दोन्ही बाजूला a ने भाग देऊन we get ax square upon a plus bx upon a plus c upon a is equal to 0. Here in this square terms a get cancelled, hence therefore we get x square plus bx upon a plus c upon a is equal to 0. We get equation number 1. By using completing square method. Now if from equation 1 x square plus bx upon a to add k replaced by the constant c upon a is equal to perfect square term x plus p bracket square. Here x plus p take because in given equation contain the a. When you understand the difference a and p, therefore we take x plus p bracket square. From this comparing the expansion of this x plus p bracket square, we get x square plus bx upon a plus k is equal to x square plus 2xp plus p square. We get equation number 2. Comparing the terms in equation 2, x square plus bx upon a is equal to x square plus 2xp. From this comparison, x square get cancelled to find the value of p. Then we get therefore 2xp is equal to bx upon a. Both sides contain the variable x is also cancelled. Hence therefore 2p is equal to b upon a. 2 goes on the RHS side, then we get divide. Therefore the value of p is equal to b upon 2a. From equation 2, also comparing the remaining part, k is equal to p square. Hence, k is equal to p square. Substitute the value of p is equal to b upon 2a. K is equal to b upon 2a bracket square, b square upon divide at denominator. 2a square is a 4a square. Hence, therefore, the value of k is equal to b square upon 4a square. From equation 1. Equation 1 is x square plus bx upon a plus c upon a is equal to 0. The constant term goes on RHS side, then we get minus x square plus bx upon a is equal to minus c upon a. We get equation number 3. Add the value of k is equal to b square upon 4a square on both sides in equation 3. समीकरण 3 मध्ये दोन्ही बाजूला k ची किंमत ऍड करा, b square upon 4a square. Therefore, x square plus bx upon a plus b square upon 4a square is equal to minus c upon a plus b square upon 4a square. The LHS side is a perfect square when you add k is equal to b square upon 4a square. LHS साइड जी आहे, जेव्हा तुम्ही बी स्क्वेअर अपॉन 4a स्क्वेअर ऍड करता तेव्हा LHS साइड ही पूर्ण वर्ग होते. वी कॅन राईट एक्स स्क्वेअर ऑफ square root is a x plus b square upon 4a square root is a b upon 2a bracket square is equal to, here on RHS side denominator is a and 4a square. Denominator are not same, then you acquire the denominator same, 4a square, the a multiple by 4a at numerator and denominator. Then we get minus c multiply 4a divide a multiply 4a plus b square upon 4a square. Here x plus b upon 2a bracket square is equal to minus 4ac upon 4a square plus b square upon 4a square. Here on RHS side denominator the same, take 1 times. Hence x plus b upon 2a bracket square is equal to, first write the positive term b square upon 4a square, the next write the minus negative terms minus 4ac upon ba square. Here x plus b upon 2a bracket square is equal to b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Here denominator the same, take 1 times and numerator gets subtraction. B square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Taking square root on both sides. Therefore, x plus b upon 2a is equal to, in a square root, b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Here square root on RHS side is numerator take in a square root and denominator of square root is a 2a. Therefore, x plus b upon 2a is equal to plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Hence, plus b upon 2a goes on RHS side, then we get minus. Therefore, x is equal to minus b upon 2a plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Again, on RHS side, 2a denominator is the same. Hence, we get x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula to find roots of quadratic equation. Write down here. Here x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here is a plus minus. First write plus and the next to write minus. Hence x is equal to minus b plus root square in square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and x is equal to minus b minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a are roots of given quadratic equation. In a short, the solution is written as x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and these values are denoted by alpha and beta. Here this is a formula. From this formula we can write two values, plus and minus. We denoted by alpha and beta. Hence alpha is equal to minus b plus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. या ठिकाणी आपण जो फॉर्म्युला मिळवलेला आहे, या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये मायनस बी नंतर प्लस मायनस आहे, म्हणजेच वर्ग समीकरणाला दोन मुळे असतात, त्यापैकी एक मूळ एक रूट आपण अल्फा कन्सिडर केलेला आहे आणि दुसरं रूट आपण बीटा कन्सिडर केलेला आहे, आणि म्हणून अल्फाची किंमत अल्फा इज इक्वल टू मायनस बी प्लस रूट बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac अपॉन 2a and beta is equal to minus b minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. The value of a, b and c from equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are substitute in formula x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and to obtain the roots of the given equation. जेव्हा तुम्हाला वर्ग समीकरण दिलं जाईल तेव्हा त्या वर्ग समीकरणामध्ये ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 या वर्ग समीकरणाशी तुलना करा, एबीसीच्या किमती मिळवा आणि त्या एबीसीच्या किमती या सूत्रामध्ये ठेवा, तुम्हाला दिलेल्या वर्ग समीकरणाचे रूट्स मिळतील. Therefore x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a is the formula used to solve quadratic equation called as formula method. Out of two roots, any one can be represented by alpha and beta. Write down. Alpha is equal to minus b plus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a are roots of quadratic equation. Solve quadratic equation by using formula method. First quadratic equation is given m square minus 14m plus 13 is equal to 0. Every student first understand how to find the root of given quadratic equation by using formula. Given quadratic equation is m square minus 14m plus 13 is equal to 0. This given quadratic equation comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we get the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 14 and c is equal to 13. प्रथम दिलेले वर्ग समीकरण स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म मध्ये आहे का ते लक्षात घ्या, असल्यास त्याची तुलना ax स्क्वेअर प्लस bx प्लस c is equal to 0 या वर्ग समीकरणाशी करा. मला a ची किंमत 1, b is equal to minus 14 and c is equal to 13. First to find the value of b square minus 4ac. Therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to the value of b is equal to minus 14 square minus 4 multiply the value of a is equal to 1 multiply the value of c is equal to 13. Therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 14 square minus 4 into 1 into 13. Square of minus 14 is equal to 196. Any negative number of square is always positive, you understand. Minus 14 square is equal to 196 minus 4 into 1 is a 4, 4 into 13 is equal to 52. Hence 196 minus 52 is equal to 144. This is the value of b square minus 4ac. By using formula, या ठिकाणी आपण b स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac ची किंमत काढून घेतलेली आहे, ती 144 आहे. आता सूत्राचा वापर करा. By using formula, m is equal to here variable is a m, therefore m is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here m is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Substitute the value b and b square minus 4ac and a in this formula. Here minus sign of b, here is a minus. In bracket, the value of b is a minus 14. When you remember always, this is a negative sign, is very important. Sometimes when you do not carefully write, the negative sign is wrong. Hence, roots are totally wrong. Therefore, this minus sign you always remember, understand the right minus. In bracket, the value of b is equal to minus 14 plus minus square root 144 upon 2 into 1. Hence, minus minus plus 14 plus minus square root of 144 is a 12 upon 2 into 1 is a 2 plus 14 plus minus 12 upon 2. Hence the value of m, first write the positive sign, plus 14 plus 12 upon 2 and m is equal to 14 minus 12 upon 2. Then we get m is equal to 14 plus 12 is 26 upon 2. 2 divide to 26, then we get 13. The value of m is equal to 13. And 14 minus 12 is equal to 2. 2 upon 2 is a 1. Hence, m is equal to 13 and m is equal to 1 are roots of given quadratic equation. These are the solution of the given quadratic equation. M square minus 14m plus 13 is equal to 0. Write down. Second, given quadratic equation x square plus 10x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here given quadratic equation is in a standard form. Therefore, x square plus 10x plus 2 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Comparing these two equations, then we get the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to 10 and c is equal to 2. First, to find the value of b square minus 4ac. The value of b is equal to 10, 10 square minus 4 into 1 into 2. 10 square is 100 minus 4 to the 8. 100 minus 8 is equal to 92. Hence, b square minus 4ac is equal to 92. By using formula x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Substitute the value a, b, c and b square minus 4ac in this formula. Here, therefore, x is equal to minus b, here minus the value of b is a 10, minus 10 plus minus root 92 upon 2 into 1. Here, minus 10 plus minus. To find the factor of 92 such that one factor is a perfect square number. 92चे असे अवयव पाडा एका संख्येचं वर्गमूळ निघणे आवश्यक आहे. 23 into 4 is a 92. 4 is a perfect square number taking square root of 4. Therefore, x is equal to minus 10 plus minus 4 square root is a 2. In square root is only 23 upon 2. Here is a plus minus is a minus 10 and here is a 10. Both term contain the multiple factor of 2. Here 2 5s are 10 and 2 1s are 2. 2 take common at numerator from both terms. Here 2 in bracket 2 5s are 10 minus 5 plus minus, here 2 take common only square root 23 upon 2. Therefore, these 2 at numerator and denominator get cancelled. Hence, x is equal to minus 5 plus minus root 23. Then write the roots of first the plus sign take x is equal to minus 5 plus root 23 and x is equal to minus 5 minus root 23. These are the roots of given quadratic equation. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5 plus root 23 and x is equal to minus 5 minus root 23 are roots of given quadratic equation. This is the solution of given quadratic equation by using formula method. Write down. Third problem, 25x square plus 30x plus 9 is equal to 0. Given quadratic equation is in a standard form. 25x square plus 30x plus 9 is equal to 0. This quadratic equation comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Hence, the value of a is equal to 25, b is equal to 30 and c is equal to 9. First, to find the value b square minus 4ac. The value of b is equal to 30 means 30 square minus 4 into value of a is a 25 multiply the value of c is equal to 9. Hence 30 square minus 4 multiply 25 multiply 3 9. Hence 30 square is a 900 minus product of 4 into 25. 4 into 25 is a 100. 100 multiplied 9, then we get 900. 900 minus 900 is equal to 0. The value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 by using formula. Formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore, substitute the value of b square minus 4ac and a in this formula. Then this minus sign write as it is. The value of b is equal to 30 plus minus square root b square minus 4 is equal to 0 upon 2 multiply the value of a is a 25. Hence minus 30 plus minus root 0 is a 0. Then minus 30 upon 25 into 2 is a 50. Minus 30 upon 50. 0 0 get cancelled at numerator and denominator, or divide by 10 to minus 30 and 50. Then we get minus 3 upon 5. The value of x is equal to minus 3 upon 5. X is equal to minus 3 upon 5 is the same root of the given quadratic equation. It is only one root. X is equal to minus 3 upon 5. Both roots of given quadratic equation are equal, that is x is equal to minus 3 upon 5. पहा या समीकरणामध्ये minus 30 प्लस मायनस रूट 0 आहे, म्हणजे प्लस मायनसच्या पुढचा भाग अंशस्थानी 0 येतो, त्यामुळे या ठिकाणी प्लस मायनस साइन येणार नाही. minus 30 upon 50 होईल. म्हणजे 10 ने जर आपण भाग दिला न्यूमरेटरला डिनोमिनेटरला तर minus 3 upon 5 येतात. x is equal to minus 3 upon 5. दोन्ही रूट्स कसे सारखे आहेत. x is equal to minus 3 upon 5 or x is equal to minus 3 upon 5 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Write down. For homework, solve the following quadratic equation by using formula method. First problem for homework, y square minus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. Second, 5x square minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. Given quadratic equation solved by formula methods. When you any problem for the method of formula methods, tomorrow we'll ask your doubt.